To get through a Keller gauge, first you do the connection. Make sure the red point at the cable is hitting the red points on the Keller. Then you connect it. Then you open the sight, which is pressure switch. Then you select device. Then you see your Keller. This is the serial number of this one. So if you want to configure it, maybe change, reset the time and date, you go to device configuration. Then you see date and time. This is where you edit it. You go into the editing. You write it to your device. If your device time and date is correct, write it to your device. Then if you were told to change the secondary interval, the time interval, whatever time they give you, then this is where you change it, either by minutes, hours, or seconds. Then if you were told to get the record, you go to select data record. This is the record. This is the record that is in this Keller now. Go to read data. You go to read data. This is the one that is in the Keller now. You select the one that they told you. This was done from the 21st to the 25th. So you select it. This data is already downloaded. So let me select the one that is not yet downloaded. You select this one. You click on start reading selected record, and then if you load, then you'll be able to view the data. So this is it. So let's make use of the other one. So this is the data, the charts. So if they say if the client asks you to send the data for you, you go to export. You can export it either on Excel, CSV, image, hard drive, spreadsheet, PDF, or Word. So whichever they ask you to send. So let's send it in PDF. Going to PDF, depending on the name of the job, you change the title, whatever the client gives you. You change it, you edit it, then generate, and you find it, and you then generate. This is it. You go to your files and you see there. So